Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use TradingView like a pro. We'll start by exploring the essential features that elevate your trading experience. You'll learn to navigate advanced charting tools, customize your workspace with multiple layouts, and effectively use drawing tools to pinpoint crucial market levels. We'll also dive into accessing a vast library of technical indicators, which are fundamental for developing robust trading strategies. This foundational knowledge will set you up for success. Next, let's master the charting tools. TradingView offers diverse chart types, such as Renko or Kagi, providing unique market perspectives beyond standard candlesticks. You can analyze markets across various timeframes, from 1-minute intervals to 1-month periods, for a comprehensive view. The bar replay feature is invaluable for backtesting your strategies on historical data, allowing you to refine your approach. Furthermore, you can even create custom indicators using PineScript, tailoring your analysis precisely to your needs. Now, let's focus on building effective trading strategies. You can develop robust approaches by combining multiple technical indicators, identifying confluence for stronger signals. Crucially, backtest these strategies on historical data to rigorously assess their performance and identify any weaknesses. Set up custom alerts for specific price actions or indicator crosses, ensuring you never miss a potential trading opportunity. Additionally, utilize the powerful screener to efficiently find assets that perfectly meet your predefined criteria across various markets. Finally, let's explore the power of community and customization. TradingView allows you to share your analysis and ideas with a global network of traders, fostering collaborative learning. You can discover innovative strategies and custom indicators published by other users, expanding your toolkit. Personalize hotkeys and shortcuts for incredibly efficient platform navigation, saving you valuable time. Moreover, integrate third-party tools and brokers directly, creating a seamless and highly optimized workflow tailored precisely to your professional trading needs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.